If you're constantly feeling tired, battling hair loss, or noticing slow healing wounds, this video is for you. These could be warning signs that your body is lacking an important nutrient. Let's uncover the red flag signs of zinc deficiency. Here are 5 key warning signs of zinc deficiency you should watch out for. Let's start with frequent infections. Zinc is vital for your immune system. If you're catching every cold that comes your way, low zinc might be to blame. Next is hair loss. Zinc supports hair health. A deficiency can weaken your hair, leading to noticeable thinning or shedding. Slow healing wounds is one of the common signs of zinc deficiency. Zinc helps your body repair tissue. Cuts or scrapes taking forever to heal. This could be a sign. Next important sign is loss of taste or smell. Zinc is essential for these senses. If food seems bland or smells aren't as sharp, check your zinc levels. Now let's talk about the skin problems. Acne, rashes, or dry, flaky skin may all be linked to insufficient zinc. But there is a good news for you. Fixing the zinc deficiency is easy. Load up on zinc-rich foods like oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, or fortified cereals. If symptoms persist, talk to your doctor about supplements. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. That's 90 seconds with Made in Oz. See you in the next video.